2 bitter gourds, then use a knife to cut off the head and tail. Then cut into 2-pound packages if the family wants bitterness. To make the Thai melon taste less bitter, take the melon inside and grate it as clean as possible so that this bitter gourd can be eaten again so that it won't be too bitter. Close everything, change the knife and slice it thin. Slice the batter and we'll go again. Cut shiitake claws, cut 2,000 red peppers, put 2 bombs in a bowl, stir with chopsticks. Then pour into the chopped bitters. Gourd, add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of misji, add 1 spoon of the mixture. Use chopsticks to stir well. Prepare an empty bowl. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, salt, 1 spoon of mesji, add free tap water, and finally add a little raw powder for him to stir well. The delicious sauce mixes well. Then burn the oil in the pot and add the bitter gourd. In the pot, put into the pot and turn on the low heat. Slowly fry. Fry until fragrant. Add spring onions, ginger, garlic. Quarrel with him. Then add sliced shiitake mushrooms and stir until fragrant in the shiitake mushrooms and pour the best sauce. Boil until sticky. As in the video, and pour the sliced mushrooms into it. Stir fry good red chilies together, then add good bitter gourd.